Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a full comparison between two powerful note-taking and productivity tools in 2025, Amplenote and Noteplan. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a busy professional, choosing the right app can seriously boost your workflow. So let's break them down and see what each one offers. Let's start with Amplenote. This app is all about combining notes, tasks, and calendar features into a single, powerful workspace. One of the most appreciated features is how you can turn any note into a task list and then instantly prioritize those tasks using its unique task scoring system. This is great if you often feel overwhelmed by your to-do list and want help deciding what to tackle first. Amplenote also supports backlinks, tags, and note linking, making it ideal for people who enjoy building a second brain or interconnected system of notes. And everything syncs smoothly across platforms, including the web, iOS, Android, and desktop. You also get end-to-end encryption, offline access, and strong Markdown support. As for pricing, Amplenote starts at around $8 per month with a few tiered plans depending on the features you need. Now on to Noteplan. This app is especially designed for those using the Apple ecosystem. It's available on macOS, iPad, and iPhone, and it really feels like a native Apple experience. Noteplan mixes daily planning, calendar integration, and Markdown notes into one clean and minimal interface. What sets it apart is how it saves your notes as local Markdown files, meaning you have full control over your data. There's also native support for Apple Calendar and reminders, so your tasks and events are always in sync. It's perfect for users who want a balance between bullet journaling, task management, and note-taking, all with a clean and elegant interface. The pricing for Noteplan sits around $12 per month with discounts for annual billing. So, which one should you choose in 2025? If you're looking for a cross-platform app with solid task management, deep linking, and prioritization tools, Amplenote might be your best bet. But if you're all in on Apple and want something sleek, local, and tightly integrated with your calendar and reminders, then Noteplan could be the perfect fit. That's it for today's comparison. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning towards, or if you've tried both. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more productivity app reviews just like this. Catch you in the next one.